In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find old returns on TurboTax. If you need to look up a previous tax return for your records to verify filing details or to download a copy for another application, TurboTax makes the process pretty straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what you should expect to see once you're there. To begin, make sure you're signed in to your TurboTax account and that you're on the tax homepage. This is the main dashboard area where TurboTax shows your current filing information and account-related options. If you've just logged in, you'll usually land here automatically. Taking a moment to confirm you're on the correct account is important, especially if you've used more than one login in the past, since your old returns will only appear under the account where they were originally filed. Once you're on Tax Home, scroll down the page until you find the section labeled Tax Returns and Documents. Depending on your screen size, you may need to go a little further down than expected, so just move slowly and keep an eye out for that exact wording. This section is where TurboTax stores access to previously filed returns and related tax documents. When you find tax returns and documents, click on it to open that area. This is the key section you'll use to locate your past filings. After opening it, you should see your tax returns listed there, as long as they were filed through that TurboTax account. Typically, this area includes the available tax years, making it easier to identify the return you need. If your returns appear, you can review the list and select the appropriate year. This is especially helpful if you're searching for an older filing and want to make sure you open the correct return. Take your time here, since many people need a specific year for income verification, loan paperwork, school forms, or personal record keeping. If you don't see any returns listed, the most common reason is that the return was filed under a different TurboTax account. In that case, you may need to sign out and try another account you may have used in the past. Also, remember that only filed returns will appear in this section, so unfinished or unfiled tax forms may not show up the same way. And that's how to find old returns on TurboTax. Once you know where the tax returns and documents section is, it becomes much easier to access your previous filings whenever you need them.